Strategic planning of foreign economic activity, applied intelligence system in public-private partnership. The article offers effective strategic planning to determine the prospects and future overall state of implementation of public-private partnership (PP) project in foreign economic activity. It consists of some elements of game theory and stages related to a design matrix, model of cooperation among PP actors in foreign economic activity, B. Evaluating the probability of implementing the PP model in foreign economic activity, C. Calculating the Hurwicz criterion, the reliability coefficients, D. Selecting an optimal way of cooperation among PPP actors in foreign economic activity based on corresponding criteria, E. Summarizing game theory outcomes. Its use in conjunction with applied intelligence system has ensured mutually beneficial cooperation in foreign economic activity on a long-term basis and attracted investments in the most promising infrastructure project in need of creation, restoration, modernization, reconstruction, and development in the amalgamated territorial community ATC of Davydiv. Keywords: strategic planning, applied intelligence system, public-private partnership, foreign economic activity and development. The aim of the study: determination the prospects and the future overall state of implementation of public-private partnership projects in foreign economic activity, designing a matrix model of cooperation among PP actors in foreign economic activity, application of elements of game theory and determination of a number of coefficients for choosing the optimal models of interaction of PP subjects in foreign economic activity according to the essential criteria. Practical application of game theory and selection of the optimal strategy on the basis of amalgamated territorial community ATC of Davydiv. Section of the article: Introduction, related works, methods, result and discussion, conclusion and references. The mechanism of public-private partnership (PP) has proven its efficiency in various forms of economic activity. One can use it to solve the different problem and create a strong foundation for cooperation between the state and business. Significant potential for its development lies in the foreign economic sphere, which requires timely attention to the issues of PP strategic planning in foreign economic activity and the use of optimal models of cooperation in the form of PP in foreign economic activity. As is known, one can increase the efficiency of PP project through intelligence system and technological decision-making processes and information management practices. Special emphasis should be placed on applied intelligence system. Numerous researchers have explored the issues of strategic planning and assessment of public-private partnership. Bondar and M. Filipova VD, Bodnak VA, Mikhailiv, HV, Renew LV, Loss OI, Bern, Pyroh, GE, Dutch AI, and also. They identified the main vectors of PP efficiency and methods for its assessment and justify the principles and peculiarities of PP assessment of in foreign economic activity. This article shows how one can use theoretical games-based modeling and apply some elements of the playing with natural games describes at 24 to assess PP in foreign economic activity. According to the rules of the game, players do not oppose each other, as one acts consciously and the other makes moves randomly without a clearly defined strategic. At the same time, it was decided to use the game during decision-making regarding PP in foreign economic activity. According to the commonly accepted PP classification, the following are presented as elements of the matrix model of cooperation among PPP actors in foreign economic activity. A1. Cooperation between state and business structure. The actors in the economic activity of Ukraine and the foreign actors in economic activity A2. Cooperation between the state and business structure, the actors in the economic activity of Ukraine with foreign states. A3. Cooperation between the state and business structure, the actors in the economic activity of Ukraine. It's possible to implement basic models of PP in foreign economic activity in each of the cooperation options. A2 to A3 elements of matrix model. S1 management agreement, S2 leasing, S3 concession, S4 agreement of the creation of a reconstruction of objects, S5 sale of assets. The net present value NPV has been selected as the resulting index designed to assess PP in foreign economic activity following methods of analyzing public-private partnership efficiently, approved by order of the Ministry of Economic Development and Trade of Ukraine, number 2055 as of February 27, 2012. Metrics of cooperation among PP actors in foreign economic activity given in Table 1. After calculating the values of a matrix index, the flow is calculating Hurwicz criterion, basic information criterion, the place criterion, the world's maximum criterion, the Hodge-Gleiman estimator, and the Savage minimax regret criterion. It's possible to simplify most stages of the recommended sequence by using appropriate online algorithm and software product. During its practical validation, the authors of this article relied on automated calculations performed with Microsoft Excel. The already software solution for solving game theory problems in staging planning of PPP in foreign economic activity still has not been found. This article follows the recommended order to assess the prospects of cooperation among PPP actors in foreign economic activity as part of implementation of the public-private partnership project on capital repair of routes of heroic past read from secondary school of level 1 to 2 to the church in Hurwicz village of Lviv district in Lviv Oblast, involving the Davydiv village council of Lviv district in Lviv Oblast and Onur Construction International LLC under the agreement number T 1821 as of November 30, 2021. It was decided to organize an expert group from the amalgamated territorial community ATC of Davydiv and Onur Construction International LLC to create a matrix of cooperation among PPP actors in foreign economic activity and assess information reliability. These groups include the employed of economic and legal department of ATC Davydiv and so the Onur Construction International LLC. As a result of the work of the expert groups, we will receive the following matrices and the following calculation, namely metrics of cooperation among PPP actors in foreign economic activity as part of the PP project, see table 2, result of calculation by the criteria, see table 3, and risk matrix for the PP project, see table 4. Given the obtained result, an optimal strategy for the project in question is A2. It involves cooperation between the state and business structure, the actors in the economic activity of Ukraine with foreign states. The article explores applied intelligence system and analyzes the way of using them in the implementation of PP projects in foreign economic activity. To make justified decision concerning PP in foreign economic activity, it was decided to use some elements of game theory, the playing with natural game, and follow a relevant procedure of economic assessments based on automated calculating with Microsoft Excel. Importantly, this procedure can be improved using online algorithms. The recommended method should be used to strategize PPP in foreign economic activity regarding reconstruction project of infrastructural facilities in the post-war period in Ukraine, with the aim of increasing their effectiveness and quickly solving socio-economic problems. At the same time, potential sources of financing PP project in foreign economic activity in the post-war period should be taken into account, which should be used to rebuild a critical infrastructure and maximize the benefit of the interested part.